Alright, so this lesson is on expanding binomial products. Now we're going to look at examples so you can see what they are, but essentially what we're doing is that it's two things like x plus 1, x plus 2, they're binomial products. So you'll see them in the next page. Alright, and we're going to use this technique called FOIL. And I've put ski jumps because that's what we've looked at in the past, and there's going to be a similarity to that. So make sure you write this down. Okay, let's get to the examples. Okay, so the first example is just straight up ski jumps. So we're going to go this times that and this times that. Now it's really important that we remember that there's a times in between. Okay, so I know that you go, oh yeah, I know how to do this. Well, let's practice. Okay, 2x times another x. Well, if you said 2x squared, you'd be right because there's two x's that we're multiplying by each other. Okay. Now it's going to be not minus because of this minus here, and then we're going to go 2x times 3. Well, that's 6x. Okay, and we're done with that. So hopefully you're good at that. Now I'm going to show you a technique for the number 2 and number 3 and number 4 that's called FOIL. Now I'm going to write it out here. FOIL. And what it means is, FOIL means first, and it goes, and then the second one means outers, the I means inners, and the L means last. Alright, so we're using the acronym FOIL for all of these. Okay, now the way it works is that we're going to use ski jumps, but we're going to use it 4 times. Alright, but the first one we're going to do is the first, so the first of this bracket and this bracket. So let's go like that, the ski jump that. So that's x times x. So what does that equal? If you said x squared, that would be right. Okay. The second thing is outers. Okay, so this is the one on the outside and this is the one on the outside. So we're going to go there. Alright, and there's a times there, so it's x times 3, and that's simply just 3x. Okay. Next one is inners. See how these two are on the inside, so we're multiplying those together. So that's going to be 2 times x, and if you said plus 2x, that would be correct. And the last one we're going to do is the last one. So the last ones of both the brackets. So that's going to be here times there. So we're multiplying, let me get another color, 2 times 3, okay, and that should be pretty straightforward, and it's 6. Okay. Now what we're doing is that we're going to group like terms. Now I can see that this is a like term to this, and there's nothing else that's a like term. So I can just go x squared, and I'll go 3x's plus 2x's, that's 5x's, plus 6, and that's the end of the answer. Okay. Alright, so let's do it again. So let's follow this checklist. On number 3, we're going to do the first, so that's this times this. Okay, that's x squared. Let's go outers, so that's the outside ones. So it's x times 3, that's the same as saying 3x. Okay, inners. Alright, that's minus 4. Remember, what's in front of the number belongs to the number. So that's minus 4 times x. Well, that's just simply minus 4x. And then we're going to go outers. So we're going to go the two last ones, the two last ones, which is this one and this one. So we're going to multiply them together. So that's minus 4 times positive 3, minus 4 times positive 3, well that's minus 12. And now we're going to group like terms, and it's just the middle two that are like terms. So what's 3x minus 4x minus 1x? Yeah, that's right. x squared minus 1x. But remember, we don't really write the 1, so I'm going to rub that out. Okay, well, let's rewrite it again. X minus 12. Okay, so that's the answer to that one. Okay, the last one's a bit trickier. I'll be very impressed if you get it. So I'm going to do the FOIL thing. I'm going to go first. That's 2 times 3. That's 6. And there's 2 x's, so it's x squared. The outer's 2x times 1. Well, that's just 2x, because anything times 1 is just itself. And then I've got minus 1 times 3x. Well, that's just minus 3x. And then I've got that minus 1 again with the last times 1, and that's just minus 1. Let's group like terms. I think that's going to be the same as the other one. So end up getting 6x squared, 2x minus 3x, that's negative 1x, but we just write negative x. And then we've got minus 1 that we just bring down from there. Alright, so that's how we expand binomial products. Hopefully it makes sense. Take your time and remember to follow this FOIL technique. Alright, good luck. Peace out.